So stupid. Dahil lang sa isang click, sinira niya buong buhay niya. Tatanga-tanga ka.
Grabe ka naman. People make mistakes, Leila.
Not me, Isa. You know that.
Okay, there you go na.
No, it's not that. I'm just saying, lahat ng actions mo may consequences. Sa lahat ng pinapasukan mo, dapat alam mo at ready ka kung ano man yung pwedeng mangyari. Tatanga-tanga kasi. May utak naman.
Kaya hindi ka nagko-commit?
What do you mean?
Aren't you seeing someone na hindi mo naman boyfriend?
Ayoko lang magpatali. I'm not ready to commit. I mean, what if I commit and then along the way, diba, I change my mind? It's not like it's easy to get out of that situation. Walang divorce dito sa Pilipinas. Between the two of us, ikaw yung married. Tell me, how's married life?
It's okay. I mean, minsan may away, minsan okay. I mean, hindi siya madali. But you know, ganun naman talaga kung buhay mag-asawa, di ba?
Basta ako, ayokong magpakasal at magpasakal. I just wanna enjoy life. Young, wild, and free.
Okay, well, to each his own. Buhay mo yan. Malaki ka na.
Yeah. Each his own.
Nakita mo ba yung cellphone ko?
No, wala akong dalang cellphone dito.
Okay, maybe I left it at the desk. Sige, iwan na kita.
I'll see you. Oh, Martin. Mamaya ka sa akin. I'll see you tonight. Are you ready? Oh my gosh!